All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today, these are the lights that we've been working on. Like I said, there's 62 of these, so it's going to be a while. If you do the math, and we've been doing these about an hour a piece, so it's probably going to take at least a week and a half to put up 62 of these on this walkway because it's like 0.4 miles or something. So it's pretty far. Anyways, what we've been doing, like I said, is just unscrewing these screws right here along here, taking out this whole grate, moving it over, and then running a flex LMFC flex with metal in it. As you can see, it's right there. And then we got these square metal plates down there to sandwich it. I'll show you a picture of what that looks like either at the end of the video or right now. Screwing in, basically sandwiching in the LMFC with the connector onto this plate, using a hole saw to drill this little grate or whatever you want to call it. So basically just drilling a hole right here, drilling a hole obviously right where it needs to go, and then putting the connector right through that hole, and then sandwiching the plate with some 4-inch bolts with washers, basically bolt washer going through the plate on the top, and then the grate, and then the plate on the bottom, and then another washer, and then a nut, and then hitting that with the impact to tighten it down. And then we just setting these on here temporarily. We didn't pull the wire yet, but we didn't want just the mounting plates on top to be a tripping hazard or anything like that. So just temporarily set these on here, screw these down with the 4 security Allens or whatever those are called, as you can see right there. So anyways, we got 8 of these done. Like I said, it's taking about an hour a piece. These grates aren't the heaviest, but they're not very light, so they're kind of annoying to lift up. So it's just been me and my coworker, 2 journeymen. So anyways, on the back side here, this is what it looks like. There's just a little T right here. This is all in rigid, so we didn't have to pipe this or anything like that. It was already done, but we're just running our LMFC with our liquid tight connectors under the bottom, and then we've just been strapping it to the bottom of these beams right here. As you can see, the wood one there, another wood right here. Maybe you can't really see that, but it's right here. So got like 4 wood beams across here to hold these grates down. So yeah, that's pretty much what we worked on all day, and they went by really fast, so that's really good. So it's a pretty good gig, pretty nice. The only downside is it rained like half the day. Did have to throw my rain gear on because I was getting soaked. It was starting to downpour a little bit, not too bad, but at least the second half of the day pretty much didn't really rain at all, so I'm really thankful for that. But yeah, there's the first four right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the second 4 right there. So yeah, that pretty much wraps it up, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Yeah, some of these are a little bit longer. Some of these flexes are a little bit longer. And this one over here, we're gonna have to drill a hole into this box to tie it in. We just didn't have the hole saw for that, or the cutting tip for that. So we will get to that another day, maybe tomorrow, if we get that hole saw or whatever he gives us. So yeah, anyways, that's gonna wrap it up, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna be doing this for like I said, a week and a half probably. So see how many we get done tomorrow. Maybe we'll get some wire pulled tomorrow and get these burning. I'm not sure what the whole plan is here. If we're just gonna do all 62 of these and then pull wire, or we're just gonna do one circuit at a time and then pull the circuit and get it lit up and whatnot. So anyways, it's gonna do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. It would help out the channel. I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Like always, check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.